Hey, let's pause for a second. You know that quiet moment right before you start a serious session and you almost brace for something to slip? That feeling of hesitation? That's exactly where this begins, with the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 Plus. This is for the kind of person who feels performance, not just chases numbers. You notice the tiniest stutter in a frame sequence. You sense delay before anyone else hears the fans. You've been running setups that try hard, but never truly deliver the effortless experience you're aiming for. Deep down, you know exactly what good equipment should feel like, because you've felt it before. Before we go any further, check the current price and stock. Systems like this can shift quietly, and waiting almost always leads to wishing you'd moved faster. There's a moment you will recognize instantly the first time you sit down with this machine. You launch that game you've been curious about, or a heavy creative workload, and you're bracing for the usual adjustment of settings, little pauses, that low-key tension that comes with weaker hardware. And then it doesn't happen. Everything just flows. Nothing hesitates. Performance feels confident instead of strained. That's the point where you realize you've already outgrown what you were using before. Once you leave behind systems that cough under pressure, the sense of relief is surprisingly calm. You stop planning your sessions around hardware limits. You stop closing background tasks just to make room for performance. You stop negotiating with settings and just do. You feel it in long gaming sessions where the frame rate stays steady even when chaos erupts on screen. You feel it in creative tasks where rendering feels predictable and quick instead of a guessing game. You feel it in everyday workflows, where responsiveness isn't a hope but a given. This is more than just raw specs. It's about momentum, how quickly your system keeps pace with your intent, without hesitation or compromise. It feels like the hardware isn't just powerful, it's confident in itself, and that confidence rubs off on you. If you're even slightly interested, don't wait for random price swings or inventory changes. Builds like this tend to be scooped up quickly once people catch on. You might hesitate because it doesn't scream excess. That's actually the point. It gives you the stability you need without forcing you to pay for power you'll never use. You get real performance that matters for your everyday workflow and play. The surprise benefit? You stop thinking about your PC at all. It just works. No drama. No compromises. That kind of freedom is addictive. There's a certain pride in owning something this capable. Not loud. Not flashy. Just dependable, and built for the long haul. Handles modern games without flinch, feels fluid under marathon use, everything stays responsive, built feels solid and composed, your system finally matches your intent. RGB isn't for everyone, not the cheapest mid-range option. Eventually, you stop comparing specs and realize you already know what you want. You keep circling back to this because it already matches how you think about performance. Don't let this be the upgrade you postpone and regret when your current PC keeps reminding you why you wanted more. If this fits how seriously you approach your sessions, check availability now and make the move with confidence.